Good morning, everyone.
I want to eat here again. That's why.
Yeah, I know. He insisted on eating here. Actually, I wanted to eat in Denny's instead. And then he said he wants to eat here. So why? Why do you want to eat here all the time? Sarap eh, no? Tsaka maraming food. Yeah, mas magaling yung chef nila dito. In fairness. And then this one, see? That's my food. Because I like those food. You know, we're in the Philippines, right? So the food here is different from abroad. Pero masarap naman siya. I don't know about you, pero I got used to the food here. Sino ba yun? Ang ingay naman. Until dito naririnig ko. So, what?
Don't mind.
Listen to me. Ang ganda ng view mo, pe. Ang ganda ng view mo sa likod. Para kang reporter. You wanna say something? Thank God for all the blessings and for living the life of a millionaire.